Welcome back viewers, you are watching the channel Literature Lover and I am Intezar Hussain Mathruma. Today I am going to discuss about Aristotle's Poetics. This is very famous work written by Aristotle. Today I am going to discuss about its MCQs. Let's start. First MCQs is Plato, the Greek philosopher, rejects theory for its dash and calls it twice away from reality as it is copy of copy. We have options form, purpose, imitation, meter, and here the right answer is imitation. For its imitation, he rejects poetry for its imitation. Our next question is Aristotle defends poetry, but he, like Plato, also believes in dash nature of poetry. Affective, expressive, didactic, mimetic. Here the right option is mimetic. And he also believes in mimetic nature of poetry. Next question is question number 3. Aristotle believes that epic poetry and tragedy, comedy also and dithyrambic are all in their general conception modes of dash form, imitation, purpose, meter. Right option is imitation. Next question is Plato rejects but Aristotle emphasizes poetry for its moving dash on the reader or listener. Form, effect, way or meter. Effect is the right option. Next, according to Aristotle, Greek dash evolved from the choric song of dithyramb, chorus, tragedy, plot, character. Here the right answer is tragedy. Next we have question number 6. Incorporated in 5th century drama, the dash male or female represents the voice of a collective personality commenting on events and interpreting the moral and religious wisdom of the play. Chorus, tragedy, plot, character. The right answer is chorus. Next question. Aristotle finds that comedy aims at representing men as worse, tragedy as dash than in actual life. Bad, worst, better, yeah, sad. Right option is better. Here, next question. Aristotle thinks that tragedy endeavors as far as possible to confine itself to a single revolution of the sun hour, but slightly to exceed this limit, whereas the dash action has no limits of time. Comedy, epic, tragedy, narrative. Here the right answer is epic. Next question, question number 9. Tragedy is an imitation of an dash that is serious, complete, and of certain magnitude. In language embellished with each kind of artistic ornament and in the form of action. Action, character, catharsis, spectacle. Here the right option is action. Next question number 10. Dash should arouse the emotions of pity and fear. Comedy, epic, tragedy, narrative. Right option is epic. Dash should arouse the emotions of pity and fear. Here the right option is tragedy, not epic. Traditionally, catharsis is rendered as purgation and refers to the psychological effect of tragedy on the audience. Action, character, catharsis, spectacle. And here the right option is catharsis. Next we have question number 12. Aristotle claims that the plot is the imitation of the dash. For by plot he means the arrangement of the incidents. Action, character, catharsis, spectacle, action. Action is the right answer. Next, by dash, Aristotle means that in virtue of which we ascribe certain qualities to agents. Action, character, catharsis, spectacle. Right option is character. Tragedy must have 6 parts. Which parts determine its quality? Namely, plot, character, diction, thought, dash, and song. Action, character, catharsis, spectacle. Here the right answer is catharsis. Next question number 15. In dash peripecia, a reversal of situation and recognition scenes are parts of the plot. Comedy, epic, tragedy, narrative. Tragedy is the right option. The plot, according to Aristotle, is the first principle, and as it were the soul of the tragedy, dash holds the second place. Action, character, catharsis, spectacle. Character is the right option. Of all plots and actions, Aristotle thinks the episodic are the worst. Action, character, catharsis, spectacle. Actions is the right answer. Next question is question number 18. By dash, Aristotle means the expression of the meaning in words, and essence of dash is the same both in verse and prose. Diction is the right answer. Now we are moving to next question number 19. A complex dash is one in which the change is accompanied by such reversal or by recognition or by both. Action is the right answer. Aristotle suggests that a well constructed plot, here is the plot, should be single in its issue rather than double. Next question number 21 is very long statement. The change of fortune of the protagonist should be not from bad to good, but reversely, from good to bad. It should come about the result of vice, but of some great error or frailty in a character, either such as we have described, or better rather than worse. So, fortune is the right answer. Next question number 22. Fear and dash, fear and pity may be aroused by character means, by spectacular means, but they may also result from the inner structure of the piece, which is the better way and indicates a superior poet. Pity is the right answer. Next question number 23. The unraveling of the dash, the unraveling of the plot is the right answer. No less than the complication must arise out of the dash, out of the plot itself. It must not be brought about by the deus ex machina. Here, plot is the right answer. Next question number 24. By the complication, Aristotle means all that extends from the beginning of the action to the part which marks the turning point to good or bad fortune. Here, complication is the right answer.